key in really growing is, instead of going for reach and trying to grow all the time, have that retainment. That retainment's gonna have those true fans who are loyal to you and loved you since day one. Retainment beats growth and reach any day. Hey, I'm Lucci. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is a community where I want all you guys to make it. I care about you guys. I actually want you guys to crush it. Yes, I'm still learning. Yes, I don't know everything. I don't have these crazy success stories, but if you need help, please DM me, talk in the comments. I genuinely care about you guys' success. Unlike, some of the blogger YouTubers don't even give a freak. I give a freak. And the blogging space has gotten really saturated and it's gotten really noisy, thinking there's no chance for me, I'm not gonna make it. That's a bullcrap lie. You have a chance. You can make it out. These are tips no one talks about, but the number one is not trying to be so dang perfect. Just put stuff out there, put posts out there. People want to see your process. They want to see your journey and your timeline. You never really know who you are in this space if you don't really see your footing in the space. I never really knew what I could do on YouTube and in the podcast if I didn't just put stuff out there. I was making videos right now, making videos as consistently as I can. I'm putting podcasts out there as consistently as I can. Don't beat yourself up if you're not consistent. Just put stuff out there and just have a backlog of stuff so people can read. What happens when you have all of your blog posts perfect? What's gonna happen? People aren't gonna know where you started and you're just gonna not be real. You want to be a mentor. You don't want to just be some random figure. People aren't gonna follow you. They're not gonna be inspired by you if they don't know your process of failure and then succeeding. This is where kind of quantity over quality really does matter. Don't even matter if you suck or you don't have your niche or you don't have your value yet. Just put stuff out there. Know your schedule, know your flow, know what you can do, who you are in this space so that you can really get more in depth on things. Another thing, comparing yourself to other bloggers in your niche. You're just gonna have to accept the fact there's gonna be people that are smarter than, work harder than you, look better than you. I thought all of these blogger YouTubers within this space, they're young, they're older than me, they look better than me, they're smarter than me, they work harder than me, and I'm like, how am I gonna do this? But instead of competing against other people, you should be competing against yourself, your ego, your struggles, your goals, because you're your own person and they're their own person. Yes, there can be many bloggers in your niche that are way more successful than you, but think about it. Did you think about how they truly got to where they are? And yes, I'm wearing PJs. It's all about being relatable these days, okay? Stop being perfectionistic robot, okay? Be real. Yes, it's people think, I should be competing against other people, but honestly, no, because you should be kind of coming together. Look at bloggers in your niche. They're different people. They have their own story. Collab with them. Get to know them as a person, This isn't competition. People are going to resonate with you more and going to resonate with that other person more, and that's okay. And the key in creating a really unique brand as a blogger to stand out to everyone in the industry, and I mean the whole industry, isn't what the topic is, but it's how you are.
Say what?
And I know that's very cliche. Being yourself is how you're going to generate those true fans who actually care about you, because they're kind of a section of me's, They're the people that love you because you're being yourself and they're attracted to that. So please don't copy other bloggers. Be yourself. I said anyone in your niche can just look up something on Google and spit it out in a blog post. What's gonna make you different is saying what you've been through, telling your story. You don't even have to have this crazy story, but you have to tell your life. You can say this is what I do and this is why you should listen to me, but you can't build that epiphany bridge. If you don't build it, no one's gonna listen to you. So tell them the backstory. That's how you're gonna stand out and really be a real, authentic person. Authenticity is everything. Key in really growing is, instead of going for reach and trying to grow all the time, have that retainment. That retainment's gonna have those true fans who are loyal to you and loved you since day one. Retainment beats growth and reach any day. Key in really growing is, instead of going for reach and trying to grow all the time, have that retainment. That retainment's gonna have those true fans who are loyal to you and loved you since day one. Retainment beats growth and reach any day. And I feel like no one's giving this advice, but You have to think about this in your head every second you put a blog post out there. No one gives a freak. No one cares. You have to make people give a freak about you by actually giving to them first. It's never about you, ever. 12-hour work days is what you're gonna expect. Writing to no one's what you're gonna expect. Feel liking you're writing to no one's what you're gonna expect. This channel is really here to tell you the cold hard truth, because it's better to know now what you're up against rather than, oh, just see what happens, see how it works. No, you need to know what's happening. Things. Have a niche big enough to niche down to a specific group of people that really need your attention. Look what they want and make blog posts about it. Simple as that. And of course, tell your past, be real, be authentic, be a human being, and actually give a freak, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not really so afraid to just hit the record button, put out a video, record a podcast, put out an Instagram post. But if you really want to be more strategic, you have to look at other bloggers in your niche, read each of everyone's blog posts, big or small, and find out what they're missing and fill in that gap. And that's how you're really gonna make it and stand. Because I'm not gonna sit here and say I don't have competition. I have a bunch of competitors, and I watch their content. I find out what they're missing. And sorry to say this, but most of the stuff they're missing is entertainment, and I kind of have to force that. I have to make my videos more entertaining, so I'm trying. And you make it in 2019 as a blogger. Absolutely, you can definitely make it out here. You have what it takes, but it's a lot harder. You actually have to work harder. You have to put the effort in, and you have to know your audience, know your mission, know your why. When stuff starts to get hard, you have to look at your mission and look at your purpose and why do you blog in your niche? What is your purpose? What have you been through? Know your mission. A lot bigger than just getting reads or wanting to blow up, because that's gonna make you miserable. Monetization is down the line. Like I said, when you get that loyalty program, those true fans, they will buy anything, whether it's your private writing, your ebooks, your products. Focus on giving every day. You have to give every day. You have to help people. You have to have a love for helping people. And if you don't love helping people as a blogger, I am sorry to say this, but you're probably not gonna make it. Simple as that. Recap. Stop trying to be so freaking perfect. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Be yourself, find your niche, love helping people, know your purpose, know your mission, and just blog every day, know your purpose. Don't be afraid if you suck, just hit go. Still don't have a community name yet, but anyway, don't forget, you are worth it. You have a purpose. You don't forget to find your place in the writing space. Your purpose is what's going to carry you through your mission, your why, everything. Don't focus on the money, don't focus on the growth, focus on the retainment and being you and caring. Of course, I will say to please subscribe, but not a lot of people say this. Really share this to a blogger or writer who is just stuck in a rut and doesn't know what they're going to do in 2019. Share this to them. Share it, your mom, your dog, your stuffed bear, your dog, anyone. Share it to them so that they can really give value and really jumpstart their 2019. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Happy New Year 2019. Let me know what you're gonna be doing. I can't wait for next year and to do ebooks and courses, and I have so much planned for next year. I am not coming empty-handed. And I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
We know for sure unless we try it. What's gonna happen is you'll watch my area die again.